Hi, welcome to Sujata Math Solutions. Today's topic, mensuration exercise 10.2. Already 10.1 completed, right? It is the page number 259. See the first question. If I read the question, it will take much time. Board is also not sufficient. Okay. See the first question. A toy is in the form of cone mounted on a hemisphere of the same diameter. Okay. What is the shape? Conical shape, and here one end is mountain, means it is a hemisphere. Okay, the diameter of the base and height of the cone are, here diameter is 6 centimeters and height is 4 centimeters. Then determine the surface area of the toy. Okay, first here we have to form the figure. Okay, so yes, right. What is that? First, a toy in the form of a cone-mounted hemisphere, same diameter. This is the diameter. Diameter of the hemisphere equal to here base of the cone. Okay, equal to how many centimeters? Diameter equal to 6 centimeter. So that here I am writing diameter equal to 6 centimeters. Next, height. Height is 4 centimeter. Here, what is the height? 4 centimeters. Height equal to 4 centimeters. Right. Height equal to 4 centimeters. Next, determine the surface area of the toy. The surface area means we have to find the total conical shape of the here portion of the cone and here hemisphere portion. Total we have to find the total. This is the portion of the surface area of the toy. First we need to find the surface area of the cone and the surface area of the hemisphere portion. Okay. Then if you need total surface area, surface of the here toy equal to here surface area of the conical portion and the surface area of the hemisphere portion, right? Next, here what is the surface area of the cone? What is the CSA of the cone? First question solution. CSA of a cone equal to pi r L. Next, surface area of the hemisphere. CSA of a hemisphere equal to surface area of the hemisphere 2 pi r square. These two formulas. Okay, we need to find, then we have to add total surface area. Right. Here, first surface area of the cone L. L, what is L? L is the slant height of the cone. Okay, what is L? Slant height. So, first we need to find the slant height. And here diameter has given, we have to find the ratio. So, radius equal to diameter by 2. That is equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3 centimeters. So that here radius is 3 centimeters. So simply I am writing here radius equal to 3 centimeters. Next, slant height. How to find the slant height? We have the formula. Slant height L equal to h square plus r square. Why? Because this is the right angle triangle. Yes or no? So L as a slant height as a hypotenuse. Means hypotenuse square equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides. So that L square, L equal to slant height. L square equal to, already we know the formula. If you transpose h square plus r square. H square plus r square. So that L equal to, directly we know the formula, simply substitute. Okay. So h square, h means what? 4 square plus r square 3 square. Then L equal to square root of 16. 4 4s are 16 plus 3 3s are 9. It is equal to 25. 25 is the square of 5. So that L equal to slant height of the cone L equal to 5 centimeters. Then now we know the all values. Here 5 means 22 by 7 or else 3.14. Already in the question they had mentioned. Okay, right. First one. CSA of conical portion. Portion of the toy equal to pi RL. Pi RL. Here pi equal to, here onwards I am writing because not sufficient. Pi means here pi equal to 3.14. Easy to cancel. Okay, multiply 3.14 into what is R? R is 3 centimeters. 3 into L is 5 centimeters. Here area, centimeter square or else square units. Then 3 5s are 15. That is equal to 3.14 into 15. Now we have to multiply. Okay, what is that? 314 into 15. 5 4s are 20. 2 155 7 5 3s are 15. Right? 144 111 133 0 1 1 7 4. So how many digits before decimal? 2. So that the answer is 447.1 centimeter square. This is for what is that? Surface area of the conical portion. Okay. Next, surface area of the hemispherical portion. Next, CSA of hemispherical portion of the toy. Toy equal to what is that here? 2 pi r square. Right. Here also 2 into pi value is 3.14 into r is r square. R means 3. 3 square 9 or else 3 into 3 centimeter square. Now multiply. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. So that 3.14 into 18 centimeter square. Now multiply 3.14 into 18. 8 4s are 32. 3 1 8 8 8 plus 3 11 1 3 8 ja 24 24 plus 1 25 144 111 133. Now we add this 2 5 6 5. Is it correct? Yes, that is equal to 56.52 centimeter square. This is for hemispherical portion of the surface area of the hemispherical portion. Next, already we know conical portion we have found here. Already we got it. Here hemisphere portion also we find. So total surface area of the toy. Now we have to find the total surface area. Therefore, surface area of toy equal to, here surface area of what is that? Conical portion toy plus surface area of hemispherical portion of the toy. Now both we add. What is that first one now? 47.1 plus 56.52 centimeter square. Then you add both 47.1, 56.52. So no number 0 to 6.31 10. So therefore 103.62 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the toy. Okay. Next, second question. A solid in the form of right circular cylinder with a hemisphere at one end and a cone at other end. So here is cylinder. On the cylinder here. Right. This is cylinder. What they said? One end with hemisphere, other end with cone. Okay, this only they said no. Right. Next. Next, what they said? The ratio of the common base. Ratio of the common base means here ratio of the cone, ratio of the here radius of the cone, radius of cylinder, radius of hemisphere is same only. So r equal to 8 centimeters. So that here radius equal to 8 centimeters. Next, here also radius is 8 centimeters. Next. And the height of the cylindrical and the conical portion are 10 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Means the cylinder height is 10 centimeter. Cylinder height is 10 centimeters. Cone height is 6 centimeters. Okay. Right. Then find the total surface area. That is the question. Here one cylinder one end with conical portion, other end with a hemispherical portion, and also same radius of the conical portion, cylinder and the hemisphere. Next, height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and the conical portion is 6 centimeters. Right? Next, here height of the conical portion height equal to 6 centimeter. Here cylinder height equal to 10 centimeters. This is the slant height. Okay, right. And also here what the question has given, same radius. Okay, radius of cone equal to radius of cylinder equal to radius of hemisphere. Right. Okay. So same radius with the three figures. And also we have to find the total surface area of this solid figure. Right. Solid figure means first we need to find the surface area of the conical portion, surface area of the cylindrical portion, surface area of the hemispherical portion. Right. Here surface area of the cone is pi RL. Here cone surface area of the cylindrical is 2 pi RH. Conical portion is here, hemispherical portion 2 pi R square. These are the formulas. Okay, right. Here radius we know, height we know. But in that conical portion, slant height, L means it is the slant height. First find the slant height of the cone, then find the surface area of the cone. So that is slant height. L equal to square root of h square plus r square. Then L equal to h means what? H is a conical portion height only we have to take. Okay, 6 means 6 square plus r is 8, same radius, 8 square, that is equal to 6 6 are 36 plus 8 8 are 64, that is equal to 100. So 100 square means 10. So that L equal to 100 is square of 10. So that 10. Okay, this is the slant height. So L equal to 10 centimeters. Now find each surfaces. Okay, first one. CSA of a conical portion. Of dimension solid, no? Solid equal to pi r L. That is equal to, here pi means we have to use 3.14 into radius is 8 centimeters into height is slant height 10 centimeters square. Now 8 tens are 80, so that 3.14 into 80. Now we need to multiply 314 into 8, 32, 3, 1, 8, 8, 11, 1, 24, 25. So that is equal to, here we have to use right side of the 0. So point is 2 digits before. That is equal to 251.20 centimeter square. This is the cone. Okay, what is that? 251. Next one. Next we have to find the cylinder. Okay. Then CSA of cylindrical portion of a solid equal to, okay, equal to how, what is the formula? 2 pi RH. Here 2 into pi value 3.14 into r is same radius 8 centimeter, height is 10 centimeter. Height of the cylinder here 10 centimeter. Okay, so area means centimeter square units. Now multiply 80 into 2, 160. So 3.14 into 160 centimeter square. Now multiply simply here. 314 into 16. Later add 0 to the right side. 6 4s are 24, 2, 1 6 6, 8, 6 3s are 18. Next one with any number multiply itself 1 3. That is equal to 4, 2, 1, 0, 1, 5. And add right side 0. Why? Because here 0 is there. How many digits before decimal? 2 digits. Therefore, that is equal to 502.40 centimeter square. This is for cylinder. Okay. Right. Next one. Next one, surface area of the hemispherical object. Next, CSA of hemispherical solid object. Solid equal to, hemisphere is a 2 pi r square. Okay, that is the CSA of the hemisphere. Now that is equal to 2 into 3.14 into r. R square means 8 into 8. 8 8 just 64. Directly I am writing. Or else 8 into 8. 8 64. Again multiply these two. 3.14 into 64 into 2, 8, 12. Okay, 128. Now multiply here. 314 into 128. Now multiply 4, 1, 2, 4 8 jar 32, 3, 1, 3, 1, 8, 8. 8 plus 3, 11, 1, 1 carry, 24, 24 plus 1, 25. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 4 4, 1 1 1, 1 3 3. Now 2 9, 6 1 11, 6 7 10, 1 4. So that answer is here 401.92 centimeter square. This is for hemispherical portion. How much? 500. Again check it there here. 8. 2 pi r h. 2 pi r square. Hemisphere. Right. Correct only. Next one. Total surface area of the solid. Here already we find curved surface area of the conical portion, curved surface area of the cylindrical portion, and curved surface area of the hemispherical portion. Three surfaces we find. Now we have to find the total surface area of the cylinder. Means we have to add all the surfaces. Therefore, total surface area of TSA, I will write simply TSA of a solid object equal to, what is that? CSA of a cone plus CSA of cylindrical portion plus CSA of hemispherical portion. Okay, so that is equal to, what is first one? 251. 251.20 plus, next one, first one is this, second one, 502.40 plus 401.92 centimeter square. We have to add all these. 251.20, 502.40, 401.92. Add this all to 9 6 means 6 1, no 5 no 6 plus 9 5 1 2 3 4 5 5 and 9 11. So that is equal to 1155.52 centimeter square. This is total surface area of the solid object. Okay, right. Next question. Third question. This is very important question. Okay. A medicine capsule is in the shape of cylinder with the two hemispheres stuck to each of its end. Already figure has given in the textbook. Okay, this is the cylindrical shape. Already we know the capsule, cylindrical shape, and both the ends it is a hemispherical ends, and the length of the capsule is 14 millimeters, and the thickness means width 5 millimeters. Find its surface area. Okay, right. First here, what is the capsule? Cylindrical shape. Okay, this is cylindrical shape, and here length of the capsule is 14 millimeters. Right. Next, this is the width. Width of the capsule is 5, means it is a diameter. Width means a diameter. Okay. So that same diameter of the hemisphere and here cylinder. So this is diameter equal to 5, radius equal to diameter by 2, that is equal to 5 by 2 means 2.5. So that radius is 2.5. 2.5. Radius equal to 2.5 mm. Next, total length of the capsule is 14. What is the length of the cylinder? How will get a length of the cylinder comes from length of the capsule minus radius of the hemisphere. Minus 2 radius, not 1 radius. Minus of the here minus 2 radius of the hemisphere. Okay, right. And also here radius of the hemisphere equal to radius of the cylinder. Third one, radius of cylinder equal to radius of the hemisphere. Right. Okay. And also height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder equal to length of the total length of the capsule minus length of the capsule minus 2 into radius. Okay, 2 radius we need to subtract. So length of the capsule is 14 mm minus 2 into radius 2.5. That is equal to 14 minus 5 equal to 9 millimeters. So that the length of the this is length of the or height of the cylinder equal to 9 millimeters. Okay. Now we have to find the total surface area of the capsule. Means we have to find the surface area of the cylinder and the surface area of the two hemispheres. Now CSA of a cylindrical capsule. Capsule equal to 2 pi RH, that is equal 2 into pi value 3.14 into radius, same radius 2.5 mm into height is 9 millimeter square units, that is equal to 2 9s are 18. Okay, so that 3.14 into 2.5 into 18. First we multiply these two, then multiply. Okay, 2.5 into 18, 44, 16, 20, 155, 122, 8, 0, 5 and 4. That is equal 3.14 into 45. Here one digit before decimal, 45. Okay, millimeter square. Again we multiply these both. Okay, 314 into 45, 0, 2, 1, 5, 5, 7, 15, 16, 1, 1, 4, 4, 5, 12, that is equal to 0, 3, 1, 11, 1, 4, 1. So 2 digits before decimal, that is equal to 141.3 mm square. This is for surface area of the cylindrical capsule. Next, surface area of the hemisphere spherical portion. Next, CSAR equal to hemisphere 2 pi r. 2 no, 2 hemispheres. So that 2 into surface area of the hemisphere is a 2 pi r square. So 2 hemispheres are there, so that 2 into, that is equal to 2 into 2 into here pi value 3.14 into r square. R is a 2.5. 2.5 whole square, that is equal to 2.5 into 2.5. 5 5 is a 25, 5 2, 5 2 is a 10, 10 plus 2 12. Next 5 2 is a 10, 1 2 is a 4, 5 625. Okay, means two decimal places, count two decimal places and here keep point. That is equal to 2 into 2 of 2 into 3.14 into what is that? 6.25. Now we have to multiply these three and again multiply. Multiplication part is more it is. Okay. Now we have to multiply these two. Okay. 314 into 625. 5 4s are 22. 155 7. 5 3s are 15. 4 2s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 4s are 24. 2 1 6 6 8. 6 3s are 18. So 0 5 1 6. 6 plus 10 12. 1 14 15 16 1 9 1. That is equal to how many decimal places? Here to here, total 4. 1 2 3 4. So that is equal to 2 into 19.6250 into 2 we do 0 10 1 4 5 2 6 are 12 1 18 19 1 1 2 2 3. That is equal to how many decimal places? 1 2 3 4 here. That is equal to 2 into 39.25. After decimal place zeros do not count, no problem. So that again we need to multiply with the 2. 5 2s are 10, 1 2 2s are 4 5, 9 2s are 18, 1 6 7. That is equal to how many decimal place? 7. That is equal to 78.5 mm square. This is for a hemispherical portion. Okay, hemispherical 78.57. Okay. Next one. Already we find here surface area of the cylindrical portion and the surface area of the hemispherical portion. We have to find the total surface area of the capsule. Okay. So that therefore TSA of capsule equal to, both we need to add, no space, no here. What is that? CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. that is equal to 141.3 plus 78.5 millimeter square. Add this both, how much will get the answer? 141.3, 78.5, 8, 9, yeah, 1, 1, 2. So that therefore 219.8 millimeter square. This is the total length of the capsule. 219. Okay. This is total length. Approximately here we need to write a round figure. Why? Because after decimal 8 it is very close to 1. So that 220 millimeter square. This is the answer. Okay. Whatever the figures, we need to find the surface areas and we have to find the total surface area of the given object. Next, fourth question also very important. Two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end together. Find the surface area of the resulting cube. Means here cubes, two cubes are joined each other. Okay. Suppose how can you form this figure? See, I am showing clearly. First to draw the rectangle. Easy to draw this. Okay. Draw the rectangle first. Next, and one more rectangle also we have to draw. Again, I will show clearly. See, this is the rectangle. Divide into two equal parts. Again, here one more rectangle you draw. Yes. How many cubes are there here? What they said? Two cubes are joined each other. Okay. So this is one cube, this is one cube. And the volume of the cube given. Volume of the, here only I am doing, okay. Fourth one, no? Volume of the cube. What is the volume of the cube? Here a cube equal to 64 centimeter cube they have given. That's it. So we need to find, based on volume, we need to find the sides also. Okay. So a cube equal to 64 centimeter cube. A equal to cube root of 64. Now 64 factors, 2 table. 64 is the cube of 4. Okay. See that. 4 cube equal to 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. This is the cube of the 4. So that, how can you write A equal to cube root of 4 cube. Cube root cancel. Then 4. So that A equal to 4. Side. Here side A equal to 4. In that cube, all sides are equal. One side 4 means remaining length also same, breadth also same, height also same. Okay. Here A, here also, height also A and breadth also A units. And this here length of the two cubes equal to cuboid. Cuboid means here is 4, here is 4. Total it is A equal to 4. Total it is length of the cuboid is 8. Okay. Then why? Because when the two cubes are joined each other, it forms the cuboid. Okay, but the length of the cuboid only it will change. Why? Because here side plus side. Okay, here base height is same only. Right. Next, length of the cuboid. Length of the cuboid L equal to 8 centimeters, and breadth of the cuboid equal to breadth of the cube. Okay, so B equal to 4 centimeter, and height also 4 centimeters. Okay, then what we have to find, the surface area of the cube we need to find. Okay. Right. Surface area of the cube formula or cuboid formula is surface area means lateral surface area, LSA. LSA of cuboid equal to LSA of cuboid. Right. LSA of cuboid equal to, what is that? Already we know, 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Is it correct? Yes. LB plus LH plus BH plus LB. LB LH. Right. That is equal to 2 into L. L means what? 8. So 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 8 into 4. That is equal to 2 into 32 plus 4 4s are 16 plus 32. 4 8s are. That is equal to 64. 64 plus 16, 0 1 80. 80. 2 into 80 equal to 160. What is that? Centimeter. Centimeter square. Therefore, CSA or LSA, why? Because lateral surfaces. Lateral surface area of cuboid equal to 160 centimeter square. This is very important. Why? Because two combination figures will be. Okay, right. Next, fifth question is same as, I think, third question. Okay, so I skipped that. You have to try. Next, sixth one. A sphere, a cylinder, and a cone have the same radius. Here, sphere, cylinder, cone, three are same radius. Okay. Same radius and the same height also same radius, same height. Then find the ratio of their volumes. Okay, what volumes? Sphere volume, cylinder volume, and a cone volume. That ratio we need to find. Right. And here already we know cylinder. Here sphere. Yes or no? This is sphere. Height of this sphere means a radius. Yes or no? Next, and here volume, what is the volume? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Next one, what? Cylinder. All three figures same radius and same height. Height also same, radius also same. Okay, this is the radius. Okay, radius. Height is, how many radius are there? Here height equal to 2 radius. Okay, this is radius. Next, cylinder. Next one, what? Cone. Here radius. Here cone has a radius, height, slant height. Here also cylinder, radius and a height. Okay, right. So that here height equal to 2 radius. Right. Now we have to find the ratio of their volumes. Sixth one, no? So that First one, volume of sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Next, volume of cylinder pi r square h. Why? Because volume means base area into height. Here also. Here cone. Volume of the cone is 1/3 of the volume of cylinder. Means 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is the volumes. Okay, right. Next, volume of a cylinder equal to pi r square h. Next, volume of a cone equal to 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder. Now like that we have to revise, we cannot forget. Okay, volume of a cone is 1/3 of the volume of cylinder. Then the ratios of their volumes. Equal to ratio. How can you write the same? I am writing down here. 4 by 3 pi r square cube is to pi r square h is to next 1 by 3 pi r square h. Ratios only we are finding, right? So that here denominator 3 are there, but here no denominator. So we need to multiply all volumes with 3. Okay, so that 3 into 4 by 3 pi r cube is to, here we are multiplying 3 pi r square. Here h equal to 2 into radius. So that 2 radius is to next 3 into 1 by 3 of pi r square into h means 2 radius. Next 3 cancel, 3 cancel. That is equal to 4 pi r cube is to 2 3s are 6 pi r into r square into r cube is to next here also 2 pi here pi r square into 2r 2 pi r cube. Okay, now anyone can take it as common. Yes, radius. Okay, we have to take it as a common. 2 is divides in all. Okay, yes or no? Right, divides. I am taking here common as pi r. Pi r cube, pi r cube, pi r cube, all. 3 in that 3 volumes, pi r cube, pi r cube, pi r cube. So we'll cancel, means what is 4 is to 6 is to 2. Again 2 table here 2 times, here 3 times, here 1 time. So that a ratio of their volumes is, what is the volumes? Sphere, cylinder and cone is 2 is to 3 is to 1. Okay, next one. Calculation here 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into r 3.5 into r square means write 3 times, 2 times. 7 5s are 35 means 0.5 times. Okay, right. Here we multiply this 44 88 into, we multiply these two 0.5 into 3.5 into 5 25 15 17. How many decimals are there? 2 1 2 count and keep 1.75, that is equal to 88 into 1.75 centimeters square, centimeters square into 88. 8 5s are 44, again 8 7s are 56, 60, 0, 6, 188, 14. Again same 0, 0, 4, 5, 1. So that how many decimal places? Totally 2. So before you keep the decimal. So that 154 centimeter square. Okay, right. Now what we have to find the total? We have to find the after scooping hemisphere from the cylinder. Okay, right. Then we have to find that after scooping hemisphere from the cylinder, then we have to find the total surface area. Already we find here surface area of the cylinder, surface area of the two hemispheres. Okay, so that the total surface area TSA of article equal to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of two hemispheres. Right. That is equal how much there? 220 plus 154 centimeters square. Then we add here 220, 473. That is equal to 374 centimeters square. Oh my god. So that here easy only, each and every sum easy, but it will take much time, but concentrate and heights, radius from the figure what we have to do. Okay friends, thank you so much.